Life hacks with temperature sensor. Hello friends, today we learn how to convert temperature sensor into rechargeable. First open infrared thermometer. Now take old mobile battery and connect 5-volt BMS with it. You can see complete circuit diagram link in description. Or visit our website easycreativeprojects.com. Now adjust it in case. Like this. And close temperature sensor. Project is ready for your test. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.